Okay, scholars, here's how we play. I'm thinking of a mystery word that is 8 letters long. I know! 8 letters! I'm going to give you 5 clues to guess today's mystery word. After each clue, I'll reveal a letter or some letters for you. Your job, friends, is to guess today's mystery word before I fill in all of the letters. Are you ready for your first clue? Okay, great. Your first clue is today's mystery word starts with the diphthong sound ah and the spelling pattern AU. I know that wasn't a very great clue, friends, but at least we know that today's mystery word starts with the beginning or initial sound of ah, the sound we're learning about today. All right, here comes another clue. This one's better. This word describes a large group of people. Any guesses yet, friends? Okay, well, let me give you clue number 3. If you go to a movie or a concert, you may be a part of this. I think some of our friends have figured it out, but let's keep playing so everyone has a chance to guess the mystery word. Here comes your next clue. This word, scholars, is used to describe a group of people that gather around to watch, see, or hear something. Nice job, friends! I think some of you have already figured out today's mystery word. But let's keep playing so we can give everyone a chance to guess the word. Here comes clue number 4. This word is used to describe a group of people that gather around to listen, see, hear, or watch something. All right, friends, last clue. Today's mystery word has 3 syllables. And it can be used to describe all of the scholars watching today's lesson. What could it be? Scholars, what's the mystery word? Audience! Great job! And what a super audience you're being right now. I think you deserve an awesome.